Hello friends, welcome to Pandey Sir Concept Classes. In last video of the innovation strategy, we learned about the outward looking. This was the topics explained in by the earlier video. So future component design the question. Okay, these are the what is the future component? So domain, you can say this is the example of the futures. Okay, like the scenarios dynamics, the forecasting specific time bound. These are the how often do you futuring of your product, how far into the future do you look, okay, what tools and techniques do you uses. These are the part of the futures. And domains, in the depth we understand component design the question, area of interest, ecosystem, platform. These are in the you can say balance to each other. If you're having the balancing of these things, area of interest, platform, ecosystem. So these are the question which is defined by the domains. Do you have the clear definition what constitute a domain? Basically student, what is the domain? Like the, if you think about the tire industry, if you think about the plastic industry, we hire a person having the domain knowledge. You can say domain knowledge means particular उस बंदे को उस डोमेन का नॉलेज होना चाहिए. लाइक इन प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री में उस बंदे को, जैसे हम मेटलर्जी की बात करते हैं, आयरन ओर की बात करते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली वी हायर द मेटलर्जी, कैसे बी मेटलर्जी काइंड ऑफ पीपल हैविंग द डोमेन नॉलेज. अब हम उसको ट्रेंड करते हैं, फिर उसको हम आगे प्रोसीड करते हैं. हैव एस्टेब्लिश सेट ऑफ द डोमेन टू गाइड योर इनोवेशन. ठीक है, तो अपने डोमेन के लिए ऐसा क्या करेंगे जो उसमें और इम्प्लीमेंट हो सके. Who is the responsible for defining domains? Definitely we find this all answer of this all question. Project portfolio में आता है health, align and predict. Okay, health, wellness and gaps, align, organization में उसको कैसे अप्लाई करना है, और predict, जैसे कि मैंने अभी टाटा का एग्जांपल दिया था. What is the proper mix of the project? How can we manage these three business, or you can say 10 business in a single domain, in a single company? Like that Tata Sons having 73 SBUs, sub business units, and this Tata Sun is manage all SBUs. That is called the project portfolio. Already we learn senses. You can say this is the behavior of the market, or you can say these are the observation of the market, or you can say new thing, requirement for the customer. These are the senses. Okay, what source you are monitoring, किस source के through कर रहे हैं, what tools technique do you use the sense. These are the component of the senses. Now we learn right half of the canvas, inward looking. Inward में क्या होता है वो देखते हैं अपन. First we learn what is the inward. Okay, what is our framework for looking inward, develop the evolve our innovation capabilities. Like the cultural, in cultural we learn how do we create the proper mindset, behavior through the leadership, people and competencies. We create the good kind of environment in our organization, leadership, people, activities. Okay, so these are the cultures. Structure, every organization having their own structure, sometimes top to bottom, sometimes bottom to up. Every organization follow the pyramid structure, top, middle and bottom. These are the structure. What is the process? What method tool required is overarching system for the innovation and learning. Like the method and tool, system and learning new things. Sometimes we organize the workshop for our staff. Sometimes we provide the training for our staff. These are the process. What is the measures? Matrices, how good your innovation capabilities. Comparison, what other do, what you expect. क्या करते हैं लोग आपसे, क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. इनसाइड एक्शन, थिंक अबाउट द इनसाइट ऑफ द कंपनी for the long life future for the company. So this is the broadly defined by the culture component design the question, leadership, people and competencies. So here we learn what specific mindset behavior do we want our leader to have, how do we get our leader to this place with conviction, what do you believe to be our core competencies and how do we know. Again structure, we already defined the funding, role, rights and the relationship organization. Definitely we have dealer supplier, so we can maintain the relationship with them, relations with organization. Funding scales, how can we maintain the cash flow in our organization. So these are the funding roles and rights, already I told you. Process, system, learning and method and tools, these are the, this having the balance. Okay, learning new things, apply by the method and tools, applying system, then again learning, again then apply. If like example, change management, everybody know what is the change management. Like that, in previous IT companies having the different hardware and software setups, right now they completely change their setups. This is called the change management. Some company using window right now, have some company right now, few companies which in the Linux or the Windows, or you can say uh, in you can say development work, you can say research work in softwares. So we, for that, for the completion of this project, definitely we go through the change management. So these are the part of the process. Okay, so measures, matrices, comparison inside the action. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.